Hello, Management 6133 students. Welcome to week 9. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm hoping you're looking forward to spring. I know I can feel spring in the air. The days are getting longer. The temperature's getting a little bit warmer. The sun's getting a bit brighter. So hopefully that's putting a little bit of a spring in your step and will help you push yourself to the finish line of this course. So I just wanted to go over some upcoming events and also let you know what you should be focusing on this week. So one of the things you need to do before the end of the semester is attend an event to practice your social intelligence skills and practice improving them. So one of the things that is still that you can attend is the London ASCM virtual event. So everybody should have, in this course, should have access to the Apex Fanshawe Student Chapter site, and I put events on there. So on this site, I've listed that on March 15th at 6:30 p.m., the ASCM London Chapter is having a guest speaker from Nova Chemicals, and he's going to talk about sales and operations planning, which fits with this week's topic. So if you would like to go, you just email info@apexlondon.org, and it's a virtual event. So that's one of the things I wanted to let you know about. Another other events that you could attend to for that practice social intelligence assignment is the career services events that are going on. So on your My Fanshawe, you have access. If you go to the Career Services Center, you can see the career services workshops that are going on. And, you know, there's things on your resume, cover letters, virtual telephone interviews, job searches, virtual networking, rock your LinkedIn profile. So attending these events and interacting with others is another thing that you could attend. So this site shows you what's on. Also in Fanshawe Online, you can register for those events. So you just go to, on Fanshawe Online, go to the home, so click on the 4 apps, go to Resources, Career Co-op CCR, and this is where you can register for events. So again, those are events you can attend to count as attending an event for your practice social intelligence assignment. The other thing, if this is your last semester at Fanshawe in this program, a reminder that you need to complete the survey indicating what your co-op intentions are. So everybody in this program should have access to the Supply Chain Management Logistics Program site on Fanshawe Online. If you go there, you should see in the announcements, if you scroll down, Level 2 SCM2 students to declare co-op intentions. So you just click on this survey and indicate if you would like to do a co-op or if you'd like to graduate without co-op. So please fill that out. If you do not fill that out, I'm assuming you want to do a co-op and I will not graduate you. Another thing is there are awards in this program, so a reminder. So if you go to the SCM homepage, Winter 2022, that I'm on, scroll down, and here's the awards. So there's the Rennie Simonis Memorial Award and the 3M Canada Award of Excellence in Supply Chain Management. So your essays and case competitions, case analysis are due by June 1st to me. So keep those in mind, and if you have questions, please contact me. So let's go to our site. And one thing I wanted to remind you about or let you know about is we do have a guest speaker in this course, and the date and time has changed. So it is on your calendars. So it is April 5th. So on your site, you should see this on your calendar. It's April 5th at 10 a.m. and our guest speaker is no longer from Scheffler. It's actually from somebody from the beer store, and they use SAP there. So Ryan Brigden will be speaking to us. So if you can, try to attend it. It will be through Zoom. If not, it will be recorded if you can't attend. So let's see. I think that's, I know one other thing is I encourage you to join our LinkedIn group. So once you graduate, you can keep in contact with us, so I'll just show you our LinkedIn group for the program. So you can see here we have this Fanshawe Supply Chain and Operations Management alumni group. This is how I keep in contact with you once you graduate. So keep that in mind. I encourage you to join, but make sure this program is on your profile. Okay, so let's get to what you need to do this week. So on the course, so we are week 9. Hard to believe. So if we go to week 9, we go to the week 9 module. So here's our week 9, and we are talking about material planning. And this is a really important module because many of you will get hired as material planners as one of your first jobs in supply chain. So make sure you read or watch the videos on your e-textbook, on material planning process in the business process integration textbook. So watch the videos or read the chapter. So we're going right to chapter 8. We will go back to chapter 7 next week. So make sure that's the chapter you read or the videos you watch on the material planning process. So once you've read the chapters, you can then either read the PowerPoints or watch my mini lecture, my pre-recorded lecture on material planning, or as always, you can attend our live virtual lecture, which is on Monday, March 14th at 9 a.m. And just a reminder where I put the links to that is on the homepage in the announcements. Right here is the link to the March 14th, 9 a.m. lecture. So you can attend. I will put the recording from the lecture up after the class, as you can see I've done in previous weeks. So what else you have to do this week? So read the chapter, attend the lecture, or watch the pre-recorded lecture. And then you need to finish your Global Bike case study for the production planning. So we started it last week. I was giving you 2 weeks to do that. So please complete this case study. Once you're done, you need to submit the screenshots from step 16. So make sure you put them in the module 8 and 9 screenshot submission folder. And please also include the document numbers that you create doing this case study. So you created the production order number and 3 material document numbers. So please put those in the Dropbox as well. You also need to complete the chapter 8 quiz by the end of this module. And also, as I reminded you earlier in this video, please attend an event if you haven't already for the Practice Social Intelligence and Implementation Skills assignment. So you need to attend the event and write a reflection. So I encourage you to write the reflection right after you've attended the event, and you need to complete this by April 15th. So I hope this helps you get started on your week 9 activities. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to me. And as always, don't forget about our discussion boards. So we have course questions here. I encourage you to put course questions that anybody else in the class might be having too. And then if I answer them there, I don't have to answer them over and over again. And you can help each other out by answering each other's questions as well. So have a great week. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to me through email.